Double G Refrigerator Craft Ice. If the Craft Ice ice maker is not making ice, check the power switch on the ice maker. Make sure it is in the on position. If the ice maker is off, turn it on and wait 18 to 30 hours for the first batch of ice to be produced. It may take from 24 to 48 hours to see the first batch of Craft Ice. If the ice maker is turned on but is not producing ice, reset the ice maker. Turn the power switch on the ice maker to off, then back to on. If the ice maker is still not producing ice, use the test mode to check the ice maker operation. Before starting the test mode, remove the ice bin and place a shallow bowl under the ice maker to catch any water. If the ice maker is still not producing ice, use the test mode to check the ice maker operation. Press and hold the test button for 3 seconds to force the ice making process to reset. In the test mode, the ice maker will run through 3 stages step by step: water supply, ice making, harvest. After the test mode is complete, remove the bowl and reinstall the ice bin. Make sure to place the ice bin correctly within the guides, or the ice maker may think the bin is full and stop producing ice. The ice bin should be positioned within the guide so it is directly under the ice maker and the cutout is facing toward the back. If the ice maker is still not producing ice, call for service.